and I'm back with another design with me or tutorial video, whichever one you want to call it. My name is Ovmarie. If this is your first time here at the channel, I am the creator and CEO of Ovmarie Creations, and this is my channel where I show everything about jewelry, everything crafty, and vlogs. So, thank you for stopping by my channel. And if this is not your first time, welcome back. And I'm glad we all are able to kick it with each other once again. So, this bracelet is made for my husband. And I just thought it was just a cute concept for him because he's been on his health and fitness journey for a little over a year now. He just made his year mark last month. And I wanted to make something special for him. And I found the cutest little charms to fit this theme perfectly. So, anyway, let's get started with the materials that I'm going to be using. So as you can see, the first material, the big kahuna, the main attraction, is the beads that I'm using. And these are some matted beads, as you can see, some matte beads, and it has a gloss stripe across it. I've made him some bracelets before with this, and he loves these type of bracelet, these beads. So why not make him some more of these, right? And he is very simple when it comes to colors that he wears, which is usually black or gray. So I tend to make things in that color scheme so he can always wear it whenever he wants to. But every now and then I might throw in a different color just to, you know, motivate him to kind of step out of the black and gray scale thing. But anyways, we're going to do black because I think it's work perfect with it. So the next big attraction for these beads are this here. Isn't this cute? This is a dumbbell charm. I couldn't resist. This fits him perfectly. And if you know my husband and you know what he always posts on his social media with his fitness journey, you know this is a perfect thing for him. So anyways, that is the next thing. So I'm going to do one because you only need one. Okay, so the other materials I'm going to be using some more spacer beads here. And I think I'm going to be using these here. Let me see if I can get a couple of them out here. Yeah. I'm going to be using these here. I think these are dope. I love these type of design for a guy's bracelet. These here. I also have these right here. I've had for a while and I haven't used them at all. So I think I'm going to try to use these as well. Let me show you guys what these look like. And probably maybe like 2 of these. Let's see. This is kind of like a common thing that people use to make men's bracelets. And I think that is all I'm going to use for the design. I have other things, but I was like, I don't know if I want to do that. I'm not sure. Oh, you know what? I may do this at the back. Yeah, let's do that at the back to cover up the knot. I'll be able to do that? Yeah, I think I will be. Yeah, we're going to try this. We're going to see how this goes. I might just use this as a part of the design. I don't know yet. We're going to see how this is going to work. It is a little bit different shade of... Oh, no, it's not. It's okay. So we're going to see how this is going to work here. Oh, and the tools that I'm going to be using, I am going to be using, well... I may or may not use this depending on if I use this or not. If I decide to use my knot covers here, then I would definitely use these here. I have my cutters, my glue, super glue, and we're going to do a stretchy cord because my husband likes stretchy cord bracelets. So we're doing stretchy cord. And I think that is all that I will be using for tools, okay? So we're just going to get to designing. this is the final result here, and I absolutely love it. I changed the design a little bit. You see me working with it just a little bit. And I decided to go ahead and just do these spacer beads here and put the smaller ones here. And 2 extra beads was too much, so I took one off and kept another one on. And I used 2 knot covers here to go on those sides there, so it can make it an even look here. But this is the look. I absolutely love it. I think he's gonna flip when he sees these dumbbells. But yeah, I think this is perfect. It fits what's going on in his life now, and I think he's gonna absolutely love it. So this is all that I have for you guys today. This is a nice little bracelet for my husband. So if you can, like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell so you always know when I post. Also check out my shorts and all my other social media platforms. I will have all the links to those platforms in the description below, right along with my jewelry website if you're interested in any pieces, or if you're interested in seeing any pieces that I make here and you want them custom made, you can go to my website. You can also check out those options there. So that's all I have for you guys. Until next time, peace.